Alright guys, this is Idris once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal funds, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card and other rewards without investing anything. There is this website that I've discovered in this year, and this website has been a great website for me. I've been using this website to accumulate points, and these points are being converted into PayPal funds, Bitcoin or Amazon gift cards based on your choice. Any form of payment that you know it is good for you, then you can use it and redeem your points. So in this video I'm going to take you through on how you can also accumulate points from this website and then withdraw it in a form of PayPal fund, Bitcoin and that of Amazon gift cards. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to this website homepage. The name of the website is Coins. I will leave the link in the description below. You click on it and then you'll be taken to the homepage of this website. So once you are here, what you need to do is to sign in. But you need to have a Steam account before you can sign in to these websites, and it is free and simple to create a Steam account. All what you need to do is to open a new tab and just type Steam. When you type Steam, then you go and sign up for an account on that website. After that, you can come back to this website and then sign in using your Steam login details. Alright, so after you are done with the login in, or after you are done with the sign in, you'll be taken to your account. This is how your account interface will look like. You'll get the end tab, the invite tab, the shop, win and other tabs. So what you need to do after you are logged in is to come to the first tab where it says Earn. So when you stand on the Earn, it will bring out these sub menus. So from here you will get 3 menus, that is the Earn free coin, mining, videos and that of the office. So alright, here what you need to do is to click on the free coins. We are going to start with the free coin. With the free coins, you are going to perform some simple tasks and you will be rewarded with some free bonuses. So the first one you need to do is to join the website's Steam group. You can do that by clicking on join our Steam group. When you click on it, it will open the Steam group. Then you have to join it using your username and that of your password, the one you use to create your Steam account. Alright, after you've joined the Steam account, then you come back to the website and you see the coin will be added to your coin. I've already done that, so I don't have to do it again. So the next thing to do is to invite your friends to also join the website Steam group. So to do that, you click on this place and then you'll be taken back to Steam again. Search for your friends on Steam and invite them to like or to join the group. Or you can click on the direct link, you copy and forward it to your friends. Whoever clicks on the link and join the Steam group, then you will be rewarded. Alright, the third thing to do is to come down and follow the Coin Twitter page. You click on follow, then you'll be taken to Twitter. You go and sign in using your Twitter username and password. You follow the websites on Twitter. You come back and check your points. They will reward you with 5 points. Also, you can create a Discord account and join the website Discord page and you will be rewarded. Alright, once you are there, you can see everything there. The next thing we are going to look at is the mining. But the mining, we can leave it to be the last thing for now. So the next thing we are going to look at will be the videos, how to earn watching videos. So you click on the videos. But let me clarify this thing for you guys. The videos is not meant for every country. It is meant for only selected countries. That is, if you are in this country which has been listed here, meaning you can watch the videos and get paid. But if you come here and you do not see any offer or any video to watch, meaning your country is not part of this offer. As you can see, when you come down, you will see here there are no more offers available at the moment, meaning for now they don't have any offer for me. But in your case, they might tell you there are no offer available in your country, meaning you cannot partake in the offer, video offer. So the third thing we are going to look at is about the offers and the surveys. This is where you have to take some surveys by answering questions, then you'll be rewarded. Once you click on the offers and surveys, you wait for it to load. It will load all the available surveys for you. Then you select the one you want to partake in by looking at the number of points to be given to you after finishing the survey. You select the survey with the higher points. This means you are going to make a lot from it. Most of the surveys, they are just questions and answers. They will ask you a question, you give the answer, and most of the surveys takes 40 minutes to complete. So these are the surveys. As you can see, this is a wheel of reward, and once you are able to complete this survey, you'll be given 128 coins. And when you come to the second one, this is a spelling bee challenge. Once you are able to complete the survey, you'll be given 160 plus coins. And when you come down here, this one is a video game quiz. When you are able to finish, you will get 128 coins. So once you are here, you have to choose the one with the highest points. Then you can click on any of them to start. Okay, so let's say you are going to take the spelling bee challenge. So you have to click on it. When you click on it, the description of the challenge will be given to you. Test your spelling, confirm instant, and then you will be rewarded. So all what you need to do is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, a new tab will be open. Then you'll be taken to the page where you need to test your spelling skills. They will be giving you some possible questions with correct spellings and wrong spellings. So you need to choose the correct spellings, and then you will be rewarded after you complete the survey. Alright, now let's go back to the final one, that is the mining. So when you click on the mining, these are the two forms you can mine coin on your computer. You mine coin by using your computer power. So there are two ways. We have the coin miner and that of the light miner. With the coin miner, these are the options you are going to get. You get higher payments. You are going to use your GPU and that of your CPU. That is your machine GPU and that of the CPU. And also you get frequent updates and then customization options. But this place you need to download an app and install it on your machine, and it is only available for Windows users only. And also, before you can use the coin miner option, you need to have some basic knowledge. But when you come to the light miner, you only get one-click application, and it's available for all platforms. Also stable release, and it is beginner friendly. You don't need to know something about cryptocurrency before you can start mining on your computer. And also it uses low power. Also you get lower payout as compared to the coin miner. And the final one is it only uses CPU instead of the GPU and that of the CPU. So in my case, I will choose the coin miner because it has higher payments and that of the GPU options. So all what you need to do is to click on learn more. So when you click on learn more, you'll be taken to this page. Here you need to download the coin miner app and then install it on your machine. I've already installed it, so when you install it and finish, you can come down and read on how to get started. Even you can get a video on that here. It is still loading. The video will show you how you can set up your coin miner on your machine. So all what you need to do is to download the apps and then you follow the steps to set up your coin miner. After that, you start to mine the coin, and when it is up to the available payout option, then you can claim your money. Alright, so now we are done with the earning. So this is where the great earning comes from. That's inviting your friends. You can invite your friends to sign up using your direct link. Here you get 5% of every coin your referral received. That is someone you prefer to sign up on this account or on this website. Any amount of this coin the person received on this website, you get 5% of it. You can copy the link, direct link, by clicking on this, or you can just share it on Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and also you can share direct to the friend's email address. Alright, so this is a way you can earn more from this website by referring your friends. Anyway, I will leave my referral link below this video. You click on it and register. This is just to serve as a thank you for giving you this free information. And also finally, when you are done and it is time for you to redeem your points, then you can come to the shop aspects. Okay, let me just bring out this one, the giveaway. This giveaway is a form of enticement which will be given to you by the Coin platform. Here you need to do a small tax for them in order to also get something from them. So the first thing you need to do is to join their Twitter page, but that one you've already done it at the beginning. And also the next thing to do is to join their, it is still loading, let's wait for it to load. You see all the taxes there. So you have to follow the description and the guideline in the giveaway. Alright, as you can see, these are the same. You have to connect your Steam Trade URL. You can do that by clicking on this, and the next thing is to follow the website Twitter, and you've already done it earlier on. And also you follow this page on Twitter. You subscribe to their YouTube channel. Anyway, my YouTube channel is also down there. You can click on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel also. Alright, you have to do this. After you are done, then you'll be given some rewards. That's the giveaway. And once you are able to do this, your details will be saved with them, and anytime there is an offer, a free offer or giveaway, you will be notified, and then you go and claim it, and you can use it to redeem your points. So this is just a simple way you can earn free Bitcoin, PayPal, and gift card. So please, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.